What up, guys? Ooh, so it is magic hour. The sun's blazing. It's cool weather, and it's the day for Valentine's Day. I'm gonna go in the park. I think we'll call this video Single Rider. But Daenerys is gonna meet me later. But tonight is actually Dueling DJs, which I will be doing next week. So I wanted to see what they're doing this week, just to see how it goes and the formula. So I'll be better prepared for when I DJ next week. So, oh, heads up. So of course, next week, February 20th at Downtown Disney, I'll be DJing Dueling DJs with the great MC Ash. So if you are free on next Thursday, come by, family friendly. Dancing with a lot of people, have fun. Now, I'm going to the park, and then we'll see Dueling DJs. I love this walkway. I know I say every time I walk, but it's a nice walkway. You just walk it. It's a very pleasant walk, especially with this kind of walk freeway thing going down the aisle.
Hey, can you guys play Renegade?
Look who it is. Juan and Daniel set up for Dueling DJs. You guys excited? I like the jacket, by the way.
Thanks, man.
You been lifting?
Huh?
You been lifting?
No, I've just been gaining
Those
weight.
those no, those pecs are perky. So they are diligently working very close to setting up. Look at that speed. Look at that speed.
5:30.
To the monorail. That was fun. Man, that was packed in there. Is it me, or does the castle look more pink?
Attention, all pilots.
So, in the park. Let's see what single rider we're riding on this late, because we only have 2 more hours. The park's gonna go to Sweethearts night. Every time I come here, someone always gets engaged by the castle. That's just a daily occurrence. I wonder if it's one, I mean, besides the Eiffel Tower, I wonder if it's one of the biggest places that people get proposed on. I should look that up. It's crazy that they're doing a Sweethearts night, because it's kind of funny that Disney has a long history of doing date nights. Date nights is a big thing. Disneyland's one of the biggest date spots for many of us growing up. So, you know, everyone has a memory of buying a girl a glow up rose, or that time you get to cuddle up the girl on a ride. Poor guy. But yeah, it's somewhere special for a lot of people. So it's really cool they do the Sweethearts night. I think 2 nights they're doing it this week. But it's kind of weird if you want to have a special evening with somebody with a bunch of other people. But that's just Valentine's Day in general, right? You go somewhere. It's getting dark. Apologize for darkness. You all want a special night all together, but really, don't you want some time alone? Want someone special? I don't know, that's just what I think. From a guy talking in the dark, that's my opinion. Looks like they're closed. Trying to get ready for Sweethearts night. Sucks, I want to go in there. I heard that they reserved Walt's table with his wife, so I didn't get a chance to see that. Oh, let's check out Star Wars Galaxy's Edge. Some stuff going on over there. There it is. Single rider. There you go. First single rider of the day. A lot of stairs for single riders. They didn't get earned that single rider status. Oh, winded. So it gets old. So, engineer, first time.
Flight engineer, repair desk.
Oh, shoot. All these, put these up.
Right, pilot, push the flashing button to take off. Pilot,
Wait, they're all up, wait. Ah.
double stick to fly.
Okay, they're all up. Oh, okay. Hold my hat.
Right, pilot, make the jump to light speed.
That one.
Light speed. All right. Any okay. No problems yet? Oh, that's how we do.
They've locked onto us.
Got it, guys.
Seduction.
Okay. Well,
But excellent, my friends. Power up the ship. Well, I have
all right, we're up.
Axiom.
I did that. Sorry.
All available techs. We have a brilliant freighter that needs immediate transport back to the maintenance bay. This thing has seen better days. Better fix all that before the Wookiee sees it.
All right, one single ride done. I think there's 2 more rides that have single riders here at the park. So I think Indiana Jones and I think Matterhorn has single riders. So check it there. That was fun. But the girl in the middle and as a gunner, she's just chilling, like just kind of enjoying the ride, not pushing any buttons. I'm like, come on, it's a team effort. You gotta shoot. And she's just kind of watching. Yeah, so thought that was kind of awkward. I forgot. Splash Mountain has a single rider ride. That's kind of cold, so I don't know if I want to do it. I think if there's time, I'll do Splash Mountain, but it's not my top priority to Splash Mountain. So I thought Indiana Jones had a single rider. I guess it doesn't. Or maybe they do when it's busier, but there's no single rider line. All right, let's try the Matterhorn. I love how the couple's dressed up today. You know, that really makes the nights even awesome when the people dress up. Well, that's a bummer. So there's no single rider today because they're really busy, so there's no need for single rider. Right now it's just for Fast Pass. I could try later, but I don't get a chance to. There it is. All right, I'm gonna do it. Oh man. All right. I think it's the only single rider line that's still open. So I'm gonna do it for you guys. I'm gonna get wet. I'm gonna be cold. Here it goes. There it is. All right. All right. Second single rider of the night and the back.
Just stay safe with your hands
Only the
on
fifth wheel.
inside the log.
Small fact, Michael asked her name is Splash Mountain to ride on the tail ends of the movie Splash, because at the time, Splash was a very trendy movie. So Splash Mountain was supposed to be related to Splash, but it has familiarity in the name. So when I was a kid, this ride was definitely like one of the big weekend rides, because this is it's one of the only toboggan rides Disney had back in the day. So these borders, they weren't there. You could come up so close and hug them and stuff, you know. And this is definitely one of the big gate rides when I was a kid. But now we got dividers, so you know, there's no more hanky-panky on Splash Mountain. But doesn't mean people haven't tried. I get too wet. I'm getting wet for you guys. That was fun, but now I'm a little wet, a little down. You know, I gotta give to Splash Mountain, they have the coolest penny press machine. Because look, it's a little Splash Mountain. Maybe my next vlog I should do like a penny press day, but I did the numbers. It's gonna cost me a lot of money to do all the penny presses. Maybe in the future, maybe it'll be like a year-long series. Love it. You guys are great. Are you guys going to the sweetheart tonight?
Yes.
Oh, nice, nice. Well, have fun. Look at this line.
Sorry. Wherever you want to go, I'm good.
No, this is the big line. This is the one for Instagram. That's cute. But why is there mini shoes there? Why is just Mickey's shoe? That's smart. Two-sided photo ops. Actually gives me an idea. Oh, that's awesome. So, Soren doesn't have single rider. Bummer. But if you don't get a single rider, that's fine. I was just kind of like I thought I'd do a pre-Valentine's video doing single riders. I thought that'd be a cool video. All right, single rider ride number 3. You're still good.
You made it!
Alright, here it is. This is the strawberry shortcake. Sold out at Disneyland, but they have plenty of them here at Pixar Pier. So I just took a bite of this strawberry shortcake marshmallow pop. This is the best marshmallow pop they've ever made. It smells like strawberry quick. It's chewy and it's the best one. Honestly, it's like the marshmallow form of the actual ice cream bar. Yeah, I want to get another one that's that good. All that single rider. That's too long. I'm sorry. I want to, but I think it's too long. Yeah, because I gotta get back and get my lights from Dueling DJs. But we got to enjoy one ride. That makes it worth it, right?
Yeah.
I'm sorry.
I got here pretty late.
Yeah. And it is Valentine's. It is the special night, so the park closes early, and everyone crams to DCA afterwards. So I still have a good time. I still like walking in the park, you know.
Yeah.
Catch up with Danera and celebrating Valentine's Day. I think we have to buy mimosa. Is that what girls do? I don't know. How do girls do Valentine's Day?
Throw in alcohol.
Like we have to watch a Julia Roberts movie,
Yeah, have some dessert.
or Meg Ryan. Yeah.
Dessert.
And dessert. Okay.
Yeah.
And it was pink.
Can we be in the vlog?
Hey, what's up, guys?
Are you guys two kids together? What's going on here?
Yeah, we're together.
Okay. Oh, nice,
Yeah.
nice. Happy Valentine's Day, guys. Valentine's Day, right?
Thank you, bro.
Yeah.
Wait, what's gay rights? Go for it.
Yeah, Louis Town. I DJ here actually.
Oh, you're a DJ?
Yeah, I don't have my pins up. I didn't bring them today. Yeah.
My Instagram?
I'm gonna follow you guys back.
Jake Miller at .00.
Nice.
Follow me.
All right.
Noah_Anderson. Anderson spelled
Okay.
SEN30.
Gotcha.
Jeremy V11.
It's a lot of Instagrams. Okay. All right, guys, have fun. All right. Have a great Valentine's Day. You could get mosaics. That's really cool. I wish we had cool Legos like this when I was a kid, because we had to do it ourselves and have our own imagination. Now with all these licensed Legos, I would have killed for a Spider-Man Lego when I was a kid. I'd kill for it now, actually, as an adult. I wouldn't kill. Just kidding.
Would you kill for a friend?
I'd kill for a Klondike bar. Just kidding. There's the genie. See this guy? He works at a cafe, a coffee shop in Portland. That's who this guy is. Maybe has like a
Does IT maybe?
works at Peters. This guy's the last strong man in America. $800 for the Millennium Falcon. For this hunk of junk? I got my first Valentine's gift. Thanks, Valentine. Alright, night's over. It is now Valentine's Day. Hung out with Juan and Ashley, great catching up with them. But yeah, I had a fun time doing all the single rider rides. They're not many as they were before, so that's a little bit of a bummer. But maybe next time I won't need to be on single rider. But hey guys, thanks for watching. I will see you in the next vlog. Don't forget to follow The Amazing Katar on Instagram, Facebook, everywhere. Just look up my name and you'll find me. But remember, next week, Thursday the 20th, February 20th, I will be doing Dueling DJs with the great MC Ash, or DJ Platinum, which I think she should be called, whatever. We'll be there rocking all night from 6 to 9. So I'll see you there if you make it. If not, it's cool, but if you show up, I will have some pins for you guys. So have a happy Valentine's Day. Make sure to love one another. And I'll see you guys next vlog. Peace.